So in this problem, we have to show that the derivative of x times sine inverse x plus square root of 1 minus x squared equals sine inverse of x. So let's start from the left hand side. So we'll take the derivative term by term. So we have derivative of x sine inverse of x with respect to x plus derivative with respect to x of the function square root of 1 minus x squared, which can be also written as 1 minus x squared raised to the power of half. Now here we'll use the product rule. So we take the derivative of x with respect to x and multiply it to sine inverse x plus x times derivative of sine inverse of x. For the derivative of the second term, here we'll use the power rule. So we have half multiplied to 1 minus x squared raised to the power of half minus 1. So that will be negative half. And we have to use the chain rule here. So that means we need to multiply it to the derivative of 1 minus x squared. So this will give us derivative of x with respect to x. So that's 1. So we have 1 times sine inverse of x plus x times. So this is a straightforward formula. Derivative of the inverse sine function is 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x squared plus half times 1 minus x squared raised to the power of negative half. So derivative of 1 minus x squared with respect to x, so that's negative 2x. So here the 2 and 2 gets cancelled and we'll have, so here we see that the second term and the third term cancels out with each other, and this is going to leave us with sine inverse of x, which is the term on the right hand side, hence proved.